This video explains how to provision a VMware virtual machine through Hosting Controller. After an ESXi host has been configured and an OS template added to Hosting Controller, it's time to provision a virtual machine. To create a VMware virtual machine, log into the control panel and navigate to the left menu. Click the Provisioning drop-down and hit Virtual Machines. You will land on the Virtual Machines page. Hit the Create Virtual Machine button. You can either create the virtual machine for yourself, or you may create it for one of your users. Select a base OS type. Hosting Controller associates an OS template with a base OS type. While creating the virtual machine, if you specify the base OS type, Hosting Controller automatically fetches the appropriate OS template. For example, if we select Windows Server 2016, Datacenter 64-bit, as base OS type here, it will associate this base OS type with the template. Select the provider. The provider here is VMware. Select the ESXi host. Select offering. You can select your own offering, or you may select from various other predefined offerings. To learn what offerings are and how they work, see the link in the description. Specify the CPU cores, RAM size, and VHD size. Assign public IP address. Hosting Controller will pick an IP from the available range defined for the ESXi host and assign it to the virtual machine. A single IP is assigned to the machine at the time of its creation. However, more IPs can be assigned to the machine later from the dashboard. Provide the virtual machine host name. Give a description of the virtual machine if required. Set the password for the machine administrator. The administrator's name and password will be displayed on the summary page. Finally, click the Create Virtual Machine button. The virtual machine creation process will commence, and a summary of the machine will be displayed. You can see the machine creation process in real time and follow it through completion. After creation, you can also verify its resources through its dashboard. The virtual machine can also be seen in the VMware web client, and can be clicked to open a browser console to the machine. Similarly, a browser console to the machine can also be opened from within the panel. Easily create a VMware virtual machine through the web-based UI of Hosting Controller. Try Hosting Controller today.